Hello everyone and welcome to Viz RT Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, Legends. Today I'd like to take a look at an application called Viz Remote Surface Configuration. Now this application allows you to take control panels like the 3-play control panel, TriCaster small and large panels, and connect them to devices over IP. So, for example, this 3-play control panel is intended to be connected to your system via a USB cable, but here in my studio at Viz RT, my 3-play is in a server room way over there with all the other pieces of gear that we have, and I don't have a 100, 200-foot USB cable that I can extend all the way over to my studio, so this application is the solution. I can plug my 3-play USB control panel into my laptop, and using the Remote Surface Configuration app, I can turn it from a USB control panel into an IP-based control panel, and then I can operate my 3-play anywhere on the network. This also allows me to connect USB devices like this to controlled cloud Viz RT solutions like, say, the TriCaster Now, Vector, and 3-play 3PV. Simple, powerful, convenient. So, let me show you how it's done, son. All right. So I am in my studio, and I got 3 things to show off today. So the first one is going to be the 3-play control panel that I have sitting here on my desk. And then I have my laptop right next to it that I have remoted into my 3-play 3P2 system, which again, like I mentioned before, is about 200 feet away in a server room kind of thing. So I can't extend my USB cable that far and drag cables everywhere. So that's where this application, the Remote Surface Configuration app, is going to come into play here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this control panel into my laptop, use that application to connect to my 3P2 on the other side of the building, and we'll be off and running. All right, so kind of simple, but there's a few steps. So first thing we need to do is grab that file. All right, so to do that, just open up a web browser, go to vizrt.com, and then go to Product Updates. And from here, we'll go down to the 3-play family, and on the other side here, we can hit Product Updates just to go straight to it. I'll put a link in the description for this video too, but just so you can see this, if for some reason this video goes away or the link goes away or something, I don't know, whatever. I got you covered. So from here, you'll go and you'll see underneath the 3 plays on all of these that there's the Viz Remote Control Surface Utility application. All right. So once you have that downloaded, you're pretty much good to go. But there's also a user guide here if you need some more helpful tips in there. All right. So I've already downloaded this. So let me just go to my Start menu and type in Remote. There it is. Remote Surface Configuration. Boom. All right. Okay, so the first step here is on the remote switcher side. So like what I'm doing today is we need to find the IP address of the device that we're going to be connected to. All right, now to do that, you'll see I already have my IP address in here, but I want to show you how to find it. So on the 3-play, let's go to the notification button over here. And under that, you'll see there is the IP address, 10.28.3.14 for mine today. All right, so let's close that, get that out of the way, and then we'll go back over here to the application. And it's already in there because I've done this before. But that's where you would put that. And then right now it says status not connected because I have literally not plugged in my control panel yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So simply just plug this in like so. All right, and as soon as I do that, you'll hear that notification sound on Windows. That's just doo-doo. So we are connected. And if I click on connect, like so, boom, connection successful. And if we look over at my 3-play control panel from my camera shot here, you can see everything is lit up, good to go. And if I go ahead and maximize this on the 3-play side, check this out. If I go to my notifications, it says that my control panel is connected. And I could test that by mashing some buttons. Yes! So I can hit record from here, and as you can see at the top, I'm off and recording. I can even go through and start to switch things and different camera angles directly from this system. So I am pretty much good to go. I can start operating my 3-play remotely. So this is awesome if you need to connect to your 3-play from a different location. like on the same network, or even if it's in the cloud, you can do the exact same thing. So very powerful and makes things super convenient, because now I can go to the VIP boxes and start to switch this show as opposed to sitting in the back of a production truck kind of thing. So highly recommend checking this out, and of course, have some fun. Hey, there you have it. Another way to use VizRT USB devices over IP to control your on-prem or cloud solutions. Very nice. So you can find the link for this application on VizRT.com, and I'll also post a link down below so you can download it directly from here. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using VizRT products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT, TriCaster, or 3Play. Keep up the great work, legends. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.